Hey, this is Sam from MAM. Today we are installing the GitHub client for desktop on Windows. There is another video for Mac OS as well, so search for that if that's what you're after. What we're going to do is if we go to desktop.github.com in your browser, you'll come across this page, hit the download for Windows button. That'll start downloading the exe file to wherever it needs to go to. It may go to your downloads folder if that's the way you've got your browser set up, or your desktop, or somewhere else. I already have the exe file downloaded to my desktop here. I'm just going to double click it. The install process for this client is amazingly fast, which is great. So bang, we're pretty much there. It will then pop up. If you are prompted to sign into your GitHub account, please do. We can do this later on in the class, but if not, it would be great if you could sign up when prompted. If you are not prompted and you see this screen, see how quick that install process was. That's amazing. If you are not yet prompted and you are met with this screen, if you go to options and it will say sign into your GitHub account to access your repositories, sign in and use the details of where you had signed in to GitHub in the previous tutorial, and we can sign in, and now I'll be able to access any repositories that I create on github.com. So couldn't be easier. If you could get that done before the workshop, that's going to make things a lot easier and make us be able to hit the ground running. Thanks very much.